Like, you walk in a room and the girls are shook, okay? They don't know what to do.
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? What day is it? It's wine and wigs day. So I don't know what day it is, but it's wine and then there's wigs. So hello, how are you? My name is Amira, always Amira on all social media platforms, and what we're doing here today is talking about this right here. We're doing another wig review, and this is a wig. Hello? You ain't ever seen a girl like this before. She don't be walking around in the street. She's not a girl next door. She's a girl down the street. I didn't clink, y'all. We didn't even toast. That's rude. Clink, 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 clink. I want to say thank you to our sponsor, NiaWigs, for sponsoring this video and providing this wig to me. This wig on my head is the NiaWigs.com Afro Kinky Curly Wig with bangs. Okay, it's not a lace front wig. It is a scalp top wig. We have a scalp top right here. You see, looks like scalp, looks like it's growing out of my head, but it's not. Okay, you can snatch her right off. This is not a fight-friendly wig. If you get in multiple fights, girl, pin her down. Get your wig grip, pin her down. You may have to use a little bit of glue. Looks like a scalp. Let me get up close so y'all can see what's up. It really does look like scalp. Like, you can kind of see the track right here. Hold on, let me rearrange the thing. This wig is in 16 inches. You can order your own cap size. I usually am cap size small because I have a teeny tiny little head. The cap construction of this wig is that it has 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. And for me, I don't engage combs. Y'all already know I don't be doing that. My hair is like tumbleweed. I can't be playing those games. But let me go ahead and show y'all how it looks in the back so y'all can get a full view of the hair. She's big, she's fluffy. You can get her in a longer length or a shorter length, but I feel like this length is perfect for me. So, of course, NiaWigs, they always give you gifts in your box. So, of course, you have your beautiful NiaWigs packaging, and then you have your wig, but it also came with a tangle teaser sort of comb, or almost like a dim brush sort of comb. Perfect for you brushing through this hair. It also came with wig caps as well, but the brush, once I saw the brush, I said, oh, period. But if you want to see how I got this look and how the wig looked before, please keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to start off showing the wig. You can see that there is no lace on this wig. There's just a scalp top closure, and you can see it's like a faux scalp there. So we're just going to add the wig to my mannequin head. She an old mannequin head. Don't talk about her. She's still cute. So we're using the Cantu Coil Comb Detangler first to see if it works. And I'm just going to tell y'all right now, the Coil Comb Detangler is not for thick hair. It just didn't seem to do much. It needs a cream base. So I tried it with that. It didn't really work. So I started with some water and just sprayed the hair down, doused the hair in water, and then used the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. So I just applied that to the hair while the hair was damp, and that was the combination that worked. It was chef's kiss. It was good. So we just rubbed it through the hair. It fully moisturized the hair, but then I would just spray more water on it and add more curl activator cream. I did then learn smaller sections would be better, but I did want a little bit more volume at the bottom of the hair so it fluffed out more. So I just rubbed the curl activator cream onto the hair and just smoothed it out. I didn't want to comb through the bottom, like I said, because I wanted the volume. I didn't want the curls to be too clumped together at the bottom. But when I got to my next section, I just separated the hair into smaller sections, section the top part away, and then we're going to work with this section here. So we're going to do the same thing, spray it down with some water. This spray bottle I got from Amazon. Great spray bottle. It's the continuous spray. You get more water out. I use the curl activator cream And then I used the brush that came inside the NiaWigs pack and brushed it through. Oh my God, love this brush on this hair. It was fantastic. So I just made sure that the curls were a little bit more clumped together on the ends, but of course I still wanted the volume in the roots, so I didn't like fully comb through the hair. So now we move through the next section, and I'm working in the layers that the hair comes in. So we're moving on to the next section, same combination, little water, a little bit of cream, brush it through. And as I get closer to the top, I comb fully through the hair from root to tuta, just to really define the curls at the top. So we're doing the same thing on the next section. This is like the shortest section before we get to the bang. So it was pretty easy to comb through the hair. I got a little shaky mannequin head, so she's shaking around, but I'm just combing through the hair, and it wasn't that hard to pull the hair through and get the curls more defined, if that's what you're looking for. So we're gonna do the other side, same thing as well. One thing I will say is that you do not have to comb through the curls. I like the look of just the fro, but I wanted to see how the curls would define with product and see what products to use that made it look more defined. And these two products were really, really affordable products. Just girl, some water and some Cantu cream, and you know Cantu is very affordable, so I used that and it worked well enough for me. But please let me know down below if there are any products that you would recommend on this type of hair. Please let me know. Y'all can leave suggestions down below, but this combination worked well for me. So as we finally get to the top, we're just fully combing it through, and as you can see, the curls are clumped together. Now we're going to work on the bang. Now the bang was a little bit, it's not difficult, but you just have to make sure that the bang is even, because the hair, some longer hairs get mixed in. So once you start to define the curls a little bit, you can see that some of the longer hairs start to try and pop out. But we also worked in sections on the bang as well. And you'll see in a minute that I'm just going to trim down some of those hairs. They're starting to pop out a little bit. So we're just going to trim some of those hairs down and just define some of the curls. And look, so cute. I love it. So I'm going to use my Revlon blow dryer with diffuser, and we're just going to diffuse the hair on cool, high and cool. Now this diffuser, I got it from Target. Girl, it was only like $15 because it was $15 online. I think you can also get it from Amazon. I thought blow dryers with diffusers were for the rich girls, but no, we all can afford them. Look at that. So I turned the wig upside down to give it a lot more volume because I love big hair, and I'm just going to blow dry it again on cool. I think I alternated between cool and warm because I wanted it to dry a little bit faster, but I think cool is best for curly hair. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't really know, but I love this blow dryer diffuser combination. I'll leave a link for it down below. So we're just going to diffuse. You can also air dry if you want to, but I ain't got that kind of time. So we're going to keep diffusing the hair upside down just to get a lot more lift on the hair. And I want to make sure it dries because this moisturizer keeps the hair wet for a lot longer than it would if it was just water on the hair. So this is what it looked like when it was completely done. Really bouncy curls. Ugh, I love the finished look. So we're ready to go ahead and apply the wig. We're going to start with my musty, crusty hair. We're going to cover that up. Thank God we have a wig. I know I need to use some shampoo. I need to wash my hair, but frankly, I don't feel like it. It's a Panorama. It's a Panera Bread. What else starts with a P? It's everything outside. So I don't feel like washing my hair. I have a lot of product buildup in my hair. So y'all, it's happening to y'all right now. So I don't even know why y'all talking about me. Leave me alone. We're going to go ahead and use my wig grip, of course. The wig grip keeps the wig on and stops it from sliding back. And then I'm just going to use a regular wig cap. Now this wig cap is nowhere near my skin tone, but that doesn't matter because it has a fake scalp at the top. So you don't even have to worry about that. For this wig, I think I want to pull out some natural hair. So that, ooh, girl, did you see all that dust? I think I want to pull out just some natural hair on the side. Let's have a drink, girl. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and apply this wig. I'm so excited because she is beautiful. But the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna shake her out because I want my hair to look full. So this, Jessica Boo, girl, get out the way. So, but we're gonna shake her out. This is what I like to do. Shake her out, girl. And now we're just going to apply the wig. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. The wig. Oh, oh my God, I want to cry. This hair is so pretty. Oh, my mama would love this wig. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is start to separate the curls. And I'm separating them just by fluffing out the hair like this, because some of the curls are clumped together from the brush that I used. So we're just lifting. Girl, this is all you have to do. That's it, girl. This wig is a banger. So the closure is just this area right here. That's all closure. And then the rest of it is just tracks. So it's tracks around like a circular closure, and the bangs are tracks as well, as you can see. And it looks like the hair is growing right out of your scalp, sis. Y'all, this is the quickest wig application I've ever done. Let me go ahead and show y'all what it looks like in the back. Hold on. I'm in love with it. It's definitely hair that I would wear to work, to run errands, all that stuff. It just is so pretty. Like, you walk in a room and the girls are shook, okay? They don't know what to do. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions, please let me know. Leave them down below. I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box down below. I also have timestamps in case you want to skip around and figure out what the girl is doing. Check the timestamps and you can see, you know, what you want to see in the video. Anyway. Oh, I have a coupon code. Use Amira15 for 15% off. I love you all. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.